Thank you, Kobe, for helping me out. All right. The first one is 136 subtract 130 is the same as 130 subtract 136. True or false?
The answer is true. Because I see in 523,
What do you think?
it's two bigger
136 subtract 130 is the same as 130
530.
subtract 136?
Is that 1 and 136
No, no.
thousandths?
That's question one.
So
So we're saying is 136 subtract 130 the same as 130?
false.
Why?
Because subtraction can't be commutative property.
Okay. Number two, 387 plus 345. Is that the same as 385 plus 347?
True. Because 46 is one more bigger than 47. And the 20.
True.
Why?
Because on this on 345 they just added two extra number, and on 387 they just subtracted two numbers.
Subtracted an extra number? Or what?
Subtracted two from the number.
Okay.
So,
All right. Number three, 168 plus 72 equals what plus 170?
70.
And how'd you get 70?
Because 168 plus 72 is 240.
Mm-hmm.
So 170 plus 70 equals 240.
Good job, man. All right, let's look at the next one. Is 233 subtract 227 the same as 333 subtract 27? Is 233 subtract 227 the same as 333 subtract 27? True or false or what?
False.
Why?
Because 233 subtracted from 227 is the answer is less than the answer here.
Okay, what do you mean by less than the answer here?
This one is 6,
Mhm.
and this one just is 3 digits subtracted by 2 digits. So it can't be the same.
Okay, good job. All right, number 5. 92 plus 57 is the same as what plus 93? Try to do this one mentally for me.
Okay.
Okay, look at the relationship between 93 and 92. 92 plus 57 is the same as what plus 93? Now, if you want to do it on paper, you can. Okay.
I'm just writing the date.
I mean, you can write on paper if you want to, Kobe. That's no problem. But I know you're a mental person.
56.
And why'd you get 56?
Because 92 plus 57 is 149.
Mhm.
So 93 plus 56 is 149.
Okay, and what can you tell me about the relationship between the 93 and 92 and the 57? Did that help you solve it at all? Knowing that 93 is one?
One added into, so the second number is one less.
Good job. All right, number 6. 56 subtract 23 equals 53 subtract 20 subtract what?
5 times 4 is.
And see if you can look at the relationships before you solve.
And then I carry the 2, and then I do 5 times.
And if not, Use your paper, or use whatever you need to do to solve it.
0.
And
Then how'd you get 0?
Because all of these numbers are 2 of these numbers are just subtracted 3,
Mm-hmm.
and it's going to be the same answer.
All right.
Yes.
Number 7. 53 plus 2 plus 5 equals 50 plus 5 plus what? Do this one mentally for me.
5.
And how'd you get 5 that fast?
53 plus 2 is 55 plus 5 is 60.
Mm-hmm.
And I know that 5 plus 5 is 10.
Mm-hmm.
So 10 plus 50 is 60.
Outstanding, man. All right, let's look at the next one. We're going 3 digits. 573 plus 10 is 583 minus what? And you can use your paper anytime you need to. 573 plus 10 equals 583. Subtract what?
True. Because I know 14 times 2 is 28, and 32 times 2 is 68.
Yeah, you want to work it? Go ahead. You can work it on your paper, Kobe. Don't stress over this.
Nothing.
Your answer is 0?
Yes.
How'd you get 0?
Because 573 plus 10 is 593.
Mm-hmm.
And 583 subtracted by something can't be 593.
Okay. Good job. All right, 2 more, man. 60 times 48. Is that the same as 6 times 480? True or false? And tell me why.
False.
Why?
True.
Because in this they're just moving this 0 to this 0.
Okay, explain that for me. What do you mean move this 0 to this 0? What are you saying?
I'm saying that that just because you moved a 0 to another number,
Mm-hmm.
it's not going to it's going to change the
26.
Value?
the value of the product.
It is going to change it, or it's not going to change it?
It's not going to change it.
All right, good job. Last question for me. 233 subtract 133. Is that equal to, that should be equal to 133 subtract 233.
False.
And how'd you get that so fast?
Subtraction can't be commutative property.
Again, subtraction can't be commutative property. All right, man.